Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today is navigation bar. We have seen every website which we visit has a navigation bar on the top. The meaning of navigation bar is the categories which we have on the top to choose from. It allows us to change the pages from one page to another. We can revert. So let's look at the code for this. This is how the code is written. We are going to experiment this on Sublime. Let's go to the Sublime. This is more about the practical part. That is why there's no such theory for this topic, because here you create the navigation, which is to implement and see how the navigation bars are created in HTML. So in this you are going to use HTML along with CSS, in which you are going to use a little bit of new topics. Let's start. So in the body tag, what we are going to do first is we are going to put the div class. In the div class we are creating the top navigation, so I'm going to give the name top nav. We are going to give the heading as the top navigation. Now we have to create links. We create links inside div class, can be anything. You can change this name. I have written top nav because it's easier for me to understand that this class is for top navigation. Now next is A. I am going to write anchor. A is for anchor because I have to put link here. A class. In class I am going to write active. Now href. Now in href what you can do is, this is the active class which will be active all the time. We will be on this link always. So it is, here you are going to put the link of your web page. If you don't have web page, consider I don't have any web page for now. I am just writing this hash and the word. So it gives me a kind of link. And here I am going to write the word. What name should be displayed. So it is active means it is always active. We want to start with this one. And then again the next category which we will give is news. In href what we will write? Sorry, this is href written. I forgot to write hash here. Let me write hash. Okay, ahref hash news. Then I'm just going to give the word news and close my anchor tag. Now we are going to write for the contact. In hash I'm going to write the word contact. Let's write contact because we want contact to get we want contact to get displayed. Now we want about section. So we write ahref equal to about. I'll write about and I'll run it. So let me save till here and show you how it works on the Google Chrome. So you can see 4 links are there. It is visible as a link. This is your active link always. We can click on this and navigate. But now we have created the link. Now we have to do the proper formatting of it. Proper formatting. So let's start doing the formatting part now. I'll close my div tag. Okay. Now we are going to put some content here. I am going to write div style. We have learned about the box model which has padding. So I'm going to give left padding. So now I'm giving the properties which I feel I needed for my program. You can change according to your website requirement. I'm going to give the top navigation. I'm writing the content. And in paragraph, I'm writing some content. I'm going to close the div tag. Let me save this much. We have done 2 div tags till now. So this is your links, this is your information. Now you can see this is possible using HTML. We can give the categories using HTML, but the styling part is done using CSS only. Let's start styling the page. Whatever navigation style you get, that is possible using CSS. Now I'll write body. So in this I'm going to give font family. We can give anything, whatever we want. I'll write Arial also here. Okay, and I'm gonna give margin. I don't want consider, I'll give 0. Now this is my class. I want to style this 4 links. So I'm going to write dot top navigation. I'll write overflow hidden. I'll execute and show you the meaning of this. I'll give consider black. Let me save. Let me execute. Can you see the black color is there? Yes. The background is coming in the black. We have added the overflow hidden to control this links. It should fit in this. That is why I have taken overflow. So now let's do the next styling part. We have styled this navigation bar. Now let's style the link using anchor tags. Link is inside anchor, so I'm going to style that. I'll give float. So which side I want it to float? I'll write left. So color, consider black is the background. I'll give white. I want the text to be in the center, so I'm going to give text align center. Now padding, I'll take consider 15 pixel, 16 pixel. Text decoration, we don't want to do any decoration, and font size. I'll keep font size 20 because it's very smaller now. You can add more things if you want in the styling part. We can see how the bar is visible, right? I'll move forward by making this navigation bar more interesting by using hovering. We have done the hovering part. So I'll come to this. Dot top navigation hover. That when I hover over the anchor tag, whenever I hover over the link, then what should happen? So I'll change the background color to consider pink, and the text color was white, so we will change it to black. I'll execute it. See, when I hover over it, when hovering means taking your mouse over it. So when we take our mouse over it, you can see the color is changing. Yes. Now we will change for the active link. This is the active link. So we write dot top navigation dot active. Background color, let me give green, and color as white. I'll run and show you. You can see the active one is in green color. So this is going to be default for which you are going to start with. This is your home page. This is going to be your active link which will come first on your screen. So what we do in navigation, we simply add the links and then we style it using CSS. You are basically styling your links with the help of CSS. Hope it is clear. Thank you so much.